Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and VDS lectures. Today our topic is related to community dentistry, treatment and prevention of dental fluorosis. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today our topic is dental fluorosis, treatment of dental fluorosis and prevention of dental fluorosis. In first two video, we already studied the definition of dental fluorosis, causes of dental fluorosis, and characteristics of dental fluorosis, and indices to measure the dental fluorosis. But today is the last video of dental fluorosis series, in which we will study the definition and prevention of treatment and prevention of dental fluorosis. Now come to the treatment. Now we give treatment to dental fluorosis patient according to Dean fluorosis indices stage, like we already studied in a previous video. If a patient come with a very mild fluorosis, in very mild fluorosis, we treat the patient by grinding and polishing. Simply by grinding and polishing, the patient fluorosis become normal, the treatment become successful. If patient have very mild fluorosis, if patient come with a mild fluorosis, then in mild fluorosis we do bleaching. First, acid etching by hydrofluoric acid and bleaching by 30% of hydrogen peroxide. First, by hydrofluoric acid we do acid etching, then do bleaching by 30% hydrogen peroxide. Third, a patient come with a moderate fluorosis, then first we do acid etching and labial veneer restoration. First we do acid etching, then we give labial veneer restoration to this patient. Fourth, if patient come with a severe fluorosis, then the treatment of severe fluorosis is crown placement. We give complete crown to the patient. Now, first, if we patient normally, what we say when a person asks from any dentist, what is the treatment of discolor tooth, mean fluorosis tooth? Normally we give answer bleaching, but we should bleaching is not a treatment for every grade of fluorosis. Bleaching is a treatment only for mild fluorosis. In very mild case we do not do bleaching. In very mild case we do simply grinding and polishing. In mild case we do bleaching by 30% hydrogen peroxide. But in moderate case we do not do bleaching. Mean moderate case treatment is not bleaching. It's will be not correct by bleaching. For moderate case, labial veneer restoration is necessary. Now, what is the labial veneer restoration? This is tooth, and this is the tooth labial surface, mesial, distal, and lingual. In moderate case, when we give labial veneer restoration, this restoration we give only for aesthetic purpose. We only place the porcelain veneer or zirconia veneer on the only labial surface of tooth, not on mesial, distal, and lingual surface. We give veneer only on labial surface for aesthetic purpose, because when the patient smile, when people look to the patient smile, the normally only we see the labial surface. When we give labial restoration, then the patient look, smile will be normal. This is the treatment of moderate fluorosis. Now come to the severe. In severe case, we give crown placement, complete crown placement. Like this is tooth. In moderate case, we give only labial surface veneer. But in severe case, we give a complete crown. We give a complete crown to cover mesial, distal, labial, lingual, mean whole tooth. These are the treatment of dental process according to its grade. In very mild case, grinding and polishing. In mild case, bleaching. In moderate case, labial veneer. In severe case, crown placement. Now we cannot say bleaching is the treatment of dental fluorosis. Bleaching is the treatment of mild dental fluorosis, but we cannot do bleaching in severe and moderate and very mild cases. Now after treatment come to the prevention of dental fluorosis. How we prevent dental fluorosis? We can prevent dental fluorosis by 3 methods. First, if we have high fluoride content in a specific area, in specific community in water, we should replace the water by other normal water for drinking, especially in children from birth to 5 years, because this is the tooth developmental stage. First is prevention. Avoid water containing high level of fluoride from birth to 5 years of age. Mean if we have high water content of fluoride, then we should replace this water by other water which have less fluoride content. Now, second method to minimize, prevent the dental fluorosis in population with malnutrition and high fluorosis chances can minimize by improving nutritional status. Second, if we improve the nutritional status of that areas in which there is malnutrition, there is a high chances of severe fluorosis. If we change the nutritional status of that area, that community, that population, again we can prevent the dental fluorosis. Third mean is by defluoridation. We can prevent the dental fluorosis by defluoridation. What is defluoridation? Mean if in a specific area there is a high fluoride content in water, in defluoridation we remove the high content of fluoride and bring to the normal level of water up to 1 ppm, 1 parts per million of fluoride content in water. This is known as defluoridation. Now how we define the defluoridation? Down gradation of fluoride concentration, down gradation of fluoride percentage in a water is called defluoridation. Mean by defluoridation we decrease the concentration of fluoride in water up to 1 ppm, which is normal. But everywhere we cannot do defluoridation because it is a costly procedure. Now by these 3 methods we can prevent the dental fluorosis. Now today we studied the treatment of dental fluorosis and prevention of dental fluorosis. Now today our topic is complete, and also our series of dental fluorosis, which consists of 3 videos, is completed. Now today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open all notification in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.